What's your favorite type of music?
I like listening to pop music.
How do you get to school?
I walk to school.
What's your favorite holiday?
I enjoy Christmas.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love going to the beach.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like math.
What's your favorite drink?
I like drinking water.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
How do you relax after work?
I watch TV or read a book.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I like sneakers.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I usually have a small party with friends.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny days.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
What's your favorite type of art?
I like paintings.
How do you stay healthy?
I exercise and eat vegetables.
Do you have any favorite TV shows?
Yes, I like Friends and Game of Thrones.
What's your favorite type of car?
I like SUVs.
How do you get to the gym?
I drive there.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
What's your favorite type of bag?
I prefer backpacks.
How do you stay organized?
I use a planner.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I like pepperoni pizza.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually watch TV or read.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I love live music.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I like turkey sandwiches.
How do you handle stress?
I practice deep breathing.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy spending time by the ocean.
What's your favorite type of vegetable?
I like broccoli.
How do you wake up in the morning?
I use an alarm clock.
Do you enjoy going to parties?
Yes, I like socializing with friends.
What's your favorite type of game?
I enjoy playing board games.
How do you stay motivated?
I set goals for myself.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I like staying active.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I love roses.
How do you handle boredom?
I read a book or watch a movie.
Do you enjoy going to the zoo?
Yes, I like seeing the animals.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like a latte with caramel.
How do you stay focused at work?
I break tasks into smaller steps.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I enjoy spending time outdoors.
What's your favorite type of tree?
I like oak trees.
How do you handle loud noises?
I cover my ears or move away.
Do you like going to the museum?
Yes, I find it interesting.
What's your favorite type of fish?
I enjoy salmon.
How do you deal with a bad mood?
I listen to music or take a walk.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I like watching live performances.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like spaghetti.
How do you handle a busy schedule?
I prioritize tasks and plan ahead.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies on the big screen.
What's your favorite type of dog?
I like golden retrievers.
How do you cope with disappointment?
I remind myself that things will get better.
Do you enjoy going to the gym?
Yes, I like working out.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I enjoy cheddar.
How do you handle hot weather?
I stay hydrated and seek shade.
Do you like going to the library?
Yes, I enjoy reading and studying there.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I like bananas.
How do you relax before bed?
I read a book or take a warm bath.
Do you enjoy going to the zoo?
Yes, I find it fascinating.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like listening to pop music.
How do you get to school?
I walk to school.
What's your favorite holiday?
I enjoy Christmas.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love going to the beach.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like math.
What's your favorite drink?
I like drinking water.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
How do you relax after work?
I watch TV or read a book.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.